Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Openrock earbuds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair these earbuds with your application. So at first we have to enter the settings of our phone and here enter connected devices. Here tap pair new device and now we have to open the case and pair our earbuds with the phone. We have to hold this button over here for 2 to 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Now you should be there. Let's wait a moment. Maybe I do have some pairing issues. I don't. Let's tap on our earbuds here. Pair. And now let's remove them from the case. It's better, of course, to have the headphones removed. Taken out, of course. Now we can close the case and place it here. Now we have to install the application, of course. To know how to install the application, check out Troubleshooting because we have a video for that. And here we have to open the application. Now, as you can see, our application automatically linked our earbuds with the application. I didn't have to do anything, of course. But if you have any problems, you have to click a device here, and your application will scan your phone or Bluetooth devices for any headphones, like Openrock. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.